Rough for me out here, my nigga. I just remind myself, dog, Monday through Friday, homie, from 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening, dog. There's some niggas in the courtroom around the country, my nigga. Fight for they motherfucking lives, dog. And crackers ban me niggas every day, my nigga. My dog went to court today, they gave him 15. Cracker bam, my little nigga, he was 17. Young nigga, don't even know what all that time means. Swift ass crackers to shout my nigga green. They hollering mandatory, they want me to do the whole thing. Nigga showed up in court on my dog and did the same. Nigga did my nigga, now I got the bunch's brain. Nigga would've did me, my dog would do the same. This lady called me crying and now I'm full of pain. Tired of losing all my niggas to the chain game. In 30 minutes, the nigga whole life can change. Cracker over sentencing niggas when this shit gon' change. Put flag cracker kid nigga 100 years. Had your mama leaving out the cold room and seals. Cracker don't learn to ass nigga breathe for real. Take a nigga life from him, they don't know how to feel. Put flag cracker kid nigga 100 years. Had your mama leaving out the cold room and seals. Cracker don't learn to ass nigga breathe for real. Take a nigga life from him, they don't know how to feel. Ain't talk to my dog.
Yep, MOFS Taker, you got no touch. You never will be able to beat me, bro. So yeah, you just got big boot and have to use God mode. So you suck. Yep, you never beat me. Enough said.